using the Starfrit Spiralizer. We use the 4 suction cups at the bottom to keep it sturdy. Just press on the countertop, press hard, and all 4 will click into place. Here we are preparing the plate to catch the spiralized product. First, we cut the ends of the zucchini, place it in the middle of the spiralizer, and turn. Hold the handle at the bottom firmly and just keep turning for the spiralized noodles to come out. As you can see, the noodles are well spiralized. Just cut when you're finished. You will notice the middle comes out long. Some people reuse it by chopping into small pieces, or you can just toss it out. Here we have the sweet potato, which is a bit tougher. First we cut the ends, then peel before adding to the spiralizer. Place in the middle, press firmly, turn the handle, and again we get spiralized sweet potatoes. Here we will be changing the blades to do some carrots because the carrot is smaller. Again, we cut the end, wash the carrots. You can use it with or without the skin. Press firmly in the center and proceed to spiralize by turning the handle. This can be used in salads or stir fries. As you can see, it comes out nice and curly, so it's an attractive addition to any carrot dish. The spiralizer in review. Here you have a look at the Starfrit